Why do we get hiccups?
These uncontrollable little gasps of air can cause us to go insane, but where do they come from? Well, it's all pretty much about our diaphragm. Normally, it contracts and relaxes to help us breathe, but sometimes if you eat too quickly or take certain types of medicine or laugh too hard, the diaphragm will kind of freak out and start to spasm irregularly. And sometimes it just happens for absolutely no reason, leaving you to deal with. The worst part, though, is that there really isn't one best way to get rid of them. Instead, there's like 15 and they work different for everyone. Some people suggest breathing into a paper bag, biting into a lemon, holding your breath, or drinking water. But some of these can actually just make it worse if you do them wrong or too quickly. Most people think that the whole point of it, though, is just focusing on something else so the hiccups leave. Also, you can try getting jump scared. Huh? But now you know.